got this through a magnifier now, and you can see it's actually on this end, but a couple, 3 of these plastic teeth or so, there was kind of mushed to where the part of the tooth was now in the valley in between the teeth, and I just trimmed that stuff out. I found I could kind of push it back in place, but I didn't want it to start getting out of whack again and then cause binding. So, and it's not the whole tooth, it's just like kind of the end, one end of it. So I didn't figure that was going to cause any real problem in spinning this, and it also just eliminates that the thing's going to end up having a binding issue there again if things shift. But so that's kind of where that damage happened, and I don't know what happened, but not sure if these things are reproduced or if you can get new ones or not, or the metal ones, if they reproduce those, I don't know. So I'm trying to make do here because I think I'm gonna have to use this thing.